In this video we're going to take a look at installing guest editions within Windows 7. And the reason why you want to install the guest editions is after you've got your installation of your operating system, if you notice your mouse will get stuck inside there. The reason being is because what we need to do is we need to install a little bit of software in your operating system that will allow it to work with your host operating system. And so what we need to do is we need to basically install these guest editions. And so in VirtualBox, it's the right side of your keyboard. You need to hit the control key and it will release your mouse if you do that. And that's going to allow me to basically go up to where it says devices up here, and we can choose to install the guest editions. And after a few moments you should get an autoplay that comes up that allows us to run our VirtualBox guest editions from the exe. If it does not come up, you can always go to the start and go to computer, and you should be able to find it there in your C drive as well, or not your C drive but your DVD drive, your CD-ROM. And so we're going to go ahead and just run this from the exe. And we're just going to go ahead and say yes for this. We'll go ahead and click next. And this is just going to be the default installation for where it's going to be installed. That's fine. I'll just hit next. If you want to do the experimental 3D support, you can try some of that as well. I'm just going to go ahead and do a regular install. And it'll take a few moments here to install this. We're going to want to accept the Oracle installation of some software here in a moment. And so what we've got here now is it popped back up. And so I'm just going to choose to always trust this and then just hit install. And it should finish the installation this way. And after about 2 minutes or so, you're going to have the installation complete. And now it does require us to reboot the operating system. And when I reboot this, this will allow me to change the size of my desktop, as well as making it so that my mouse no longer gets stuck. It integrates the mouse with your host operating system. And this concludes the video on installing the guest editions in Windows 7.